Man, listen, today we're going to talk about how to purchase Nas NFT with credit cards or cryptocurrency. We're going to have a step-by-step conversation so that you can understand how to easily purchase this when Ultra Black and also Rare, two of Nas's songs, go on sale. But before we get started, you already know the drill. I want you to kiss the like button with your finger and hit subscribe. And don't forget to turn on notifications so that you know when new videos drop. All right, so we're gonna make this tutorial quick because I know you have things to do. So you wanna purchase Nas's NFT and have a partial ownership in two of his songs, Ultra Black and also Rare. You wanna take your fandom to ownership level and own the culture in a real and significant way. Well, today we're gonna talk about two ways that you can invest in two of his songs. The first will be through credit card and the second will be through cryptocurrency. So first, in order to use your credit card, you're going to have to download two of their supported browsers. First is Chrome and second is Safari. So make sure that you have those on your laptop or also your smartphone. Credit card transactions will be supported with the Stripe application. So once you select this option, you will have to enter in your credit card numbers and also hit purchase. Once you do that, you will own a token. Now remember, there are two songs for sale, and for each one of those songs, you can buy at the gold, the platinum, or also the diamond level. The cheapest that you can buy in is $50, and then the highest package costs $9,999. And as I explained in my previous video, you can get different perks depending on what level you purchase. So it could be access to their Hip Hop 50 Discord channel or even 2 VIP tickets. So make sure that you choose. And again, when you purchase, you will own not only access to those perks, but also a fraction of ownership in the song that you selected. The token that you own will be held inside your account within Royal.io. Now, you don't have to keep your token on Royal.io. In fact, folks have digital wallets or crypto wallets via other applications to include MetaMask, Math Wallet, and Alpha Wallet. MetaMask is thus far the best in the industry and also the most popular. And if you think that you're going to continue to transact purchasing NFTs, MetaMask has been recommended by sites like Motley Fool and also CNBC. It routinely ranks within the top 5 crypto wallets or digital wallets to own. In fact, with Royal.io, if you're purchasing via cryptocurrency, MetaMask will be an application that they'll want you to download into your supported device. Now, you may be asking, okay, Keys, you over here, you talk about digital wallets and MetaMask, but I need to know which credit card I need to bring to the purchasing party. Well, here are the credit cards that are supported in this transaction. The first is American Express, China Union Pay, Discover and Diner, Japan Credit Bureau, MasterCard, and Visa. So if you have these cards, you're Gucci. Bottom line, you don't need a digital wallet in order to participate in this purchasing party. All you need is one of the eligible credit cards. You need to sign in or register for a Royal.io account. Make sure that you have opened a supported browser either on your laptop or your smartphone, and make sure to have your Twitter fingers ready because guess what? There are thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people interested in this opportunity. So you want to be one of the first people to make that purchase. So next up, we're going to talk about cryptocurrency and how do you interact with this transaction if you want to purchase via crypto. Here are the steps that you need to take. 1, open a Royal.io account. Next, you want to click on settings. That's at the top right-hand side of the website. On the left hand of the screen, you want to click wallet. Yeah, right there, click wallet. Then you want to install MetaMask. You can do that on your laptop. In fact, if you're using Chrome, which you absolutely should be using Chrome or Safari, it will ask if you want to install it. So you want to install MetaMask onto your laptop or whatever device that you're using. Next, you want to create a wallet via MetaMask. So there'll be two options. So maybe you already have a wallet in MetaMask, but for those new users who don't, you want to select the option to create a wallet. Next, you'll need to create a password, all right? So you're gonna have to put a password in 2 fields. Make sure that they match. The next step is understanding your secret recovery phase. So once you create this digital wallet, you will be solely responsible for making sure that it's protected. So unlike a bank where if you lose your username or your password, you can click, I forgot username, I forgot password, and they will send you an email giving you the instructions to reset your username or reset your password. With digital wallets, these are protected by secret phrases and master keys. So when you create this digital wallet, they're going to give you a secret phrase that is 12 words. You're going to have to keep these 12 words protected because any person who has access to these 12 words will have access to whatever digital currency or NFTs are connected to this wallet. So some folks will take these phrases, right, or whatever master key that they get, they will put it into a password vault. Sometimes they will write it down and put it in a safe deposit box. And some folks have even engraved it, all right, somewhere so that they never forget. There are stories of people who have millions, if not multi-millions, that they no longer have access to. So you want to take that next step. They will generate those 12 words for you. You want to make sure that you keep those 12 words in a safe place that only you have access to. And don't share it with anyone unless you're sharing it with the individuals who will inherit your wealth. I suggest you go back to royal.io. You won't see install MetaMask. Instead, you'll see Connect Wallet. Click Connect Wallet. This may take a couple of minutes. In fact, you might see a pop-up window, and when that pop-up window generates, you want to select Sign. When you click Sign, it may take a few more seconds. It may even take up to 1 or 2 minutes. You want to go back to royal.io, and at this point, you should see a green dot next to Ethereum. After that step, you want to go to polygonscan.com. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and to the right, you should see Add Polygon Network. Next, you want to click Switch Network. You'll know that the process was successful when you revisit royal.io. Again, click Settings, and at that point, the green dot will be next to Polygon. After you have completed this step, congratulations! I'm clapping for you because I'm excited. Congratulations! You can now purchase items on royal.io with Polygon USDC. So remember that USDC is a stable coin, right? It's a digital currency that is backed by the US dollar. So for every USDC that you own, it is backed by 1 American US dollar. And you can use this Polygon USDC with MetaMask. First up, you'll need to purchase just a very small amount of Ethereum, MATIC, or MATIC as I like to call it, USDC on platforms like Gemini and also Coinbase. I use Coinbase personally. Now, if you don't already have an account with them, it may take up to 7 days for an ACH transfer to initiate the purchase of the cryptocurrency and have it actually arrive at your account. And when it does, when all of these have arrived at your account and you've purchased the quantities, right? Sometimes they may be fractional quantities needed in order to secure your gold, platinum, or diamond package. Then after that, you'll have to transfer ownership of those coins to your MetaMask address. Now, after all 3 cryptocurrencies have been transferred to MetaMask, they will automatically be on the main net. The next step after that is that you'll need to bridge those cryptocurrencies to the Polygon network that you connected earlier through your royal.io account. When I say bridge, that simply means you're transferring. Once that transfer goes through, your USDC, that stablecoin, and also MATIC, MATIC, will be available on the Polygon network and available to purchase assets through the Polygon network on royal.io. So if you've made it this far, then now you know how to purchase ownership in both of Nas's songs through either a major credit card or also cryptocurrency. If you love this video, don't forget to kiss the like button with your finger and also hit subscribe. And don't forget to turn on notifications because I'm going to be posting videos like this on a daily basis so that we can come up and increase our wealth IQ. Thank you so much for joining Professor Keys, and until next time, see you later.